Hey guys, how are you guys doing? This is Silvia with Salsa with Silvia Dance Studio. We're here in Bethesda again. This is our new location. And I'm checking out the architectural plans and making sure everything is in place. So this is an important phase because we're actually selecting the final finishes of how everything is going to look, the colors, the tiles. We're actually gonna go for a little bit rustic / modern style, so hopefully you guys will like that. We have the exposed ceilings. This is phase 3, so we're actually putting up the walls so you can see the different rooms already panning out. And if you can, zoom in on that plan right here, I can show you guys where things are gonna be. So this is gonna be our little storage right here. That's going to be our little private lesson room. That's where the kitchen is going to be, and we're gonna have 3 bathrooms, so not 2 like we have now. We have 3. A vanity, water fountain. That's gonna be my office. Finally, I'll have an office, and that's the lobby. And then here we'll have the first studio. So that's the studio that has all the beautiful windows. And then that's the back studio. And we'll have not 1, but 3 garage doors dividing the 2 spaces. So I just want to share a little bit with you guys that this whole process has just been, it looks easy and fast in these videos because we literally have done 3 update videos, but it has been a painful process, starting with negotiating the lease, which took months in a row, and then after that dealing with county permits and of course delays from different people and different action figures. So we're finally here. We're finally seeing actual results, and the place is coming along nicely, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. I think you guys are going to love the new space, and we're super pumped about that. It's coming soon. Our goal is to open at the end of September. Schedule is already online, but we're probably gonna push till end of September, October. So I'm super excited about this. It's been a hard journey. It's been loads of money, and we have just started spending it. So please come and take classes with us, and tell your friends to come and take classes with us. Tell your friends that have kids, because we're gonna have awesome kids programs here as well. So, but take a look around and see what's going on, and we're putting the HVAC, the ductwork is getting done, and I think the ceiling looks beautiful, right? I think we're gonna do this time, we're gonna do a lighter gray so that we can actually take pictures during our events, because all of our photographers hate the black ceiling because there's nothing for the light to bounce off of. So this will be a photographer's dream. We're gonna have beautiful events and beautiful chandeliers, and you guys are gonna love it. Wait until you see the new floor that's coming in next week. We'll show you. That's gonna be phase 4. So check us out. Stay tuned, and please check the website because we're coming. We're gonna do a grand opening party. So stay with us, www.salsawithsylvia.com.